Piles or hemorrhoids are swollen veins that cause bleeding during defecation. These are usually painless and present as a splash of blood. Fissures are ulcers near the anal canal that are extremely painful. They present as streaks of blood. Are like tracts that open on external skin on one end, and an anal canal on the other. The key differences between piles, fissure and fistula have been summarized in the table below. The differentiation factors include pain, bleeding, discharge, diagnosis. Lastly, treatment.